there's something it does. I'm really bad with words, which I have no business making videos. Hey, welcome back. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So there are a few essential stuff that you need to help with moisturizing your hair. Number one, water. I'm so sorry, I have nothing different to tell you about hair moisturizing. Water. You need your water bottle. This one is my favorite because it's a mister. It's a mist spray bottle. So if you can see, it's like it mystifies the hair, which gets the moisture in really well. So what I tend to do is sometimes I use water only, but I tried conditioner and an oil in it. So this time I put a leave-in and oil. I think it kind of kills two birds with one stone. So if you can put majority water and then just a little bit of leave-in and a drop of oil, a little bit. Peppermint is a really nice oil to put in the water. I like peppermint in the water because it's like it gives the minty feel and it smells really good. So water bottle. Number two, you need a detangler. This is like it's a detangler, but it really moisturizes my hair. So Not on My Watch is really good. Again, guys, almost I think in every video I'll be talking about Not on My Watch. It's just really good. It moisturizes my hair really well. So this one is very, very good. If not, you can use any kind of moisturizer, but you need to, which is something that I'll talk about and illustrate. So your hair doesn't like certain moisturizers. There's some that it will like, and most people say the first ingredient that should be on whatever product you use should be water, or in this case aqua, because it means that it will be really hydrating and moisturizing. A butter. I like this because it helps to like, no, it doesn't really seal in. I can't say it seals in, but there's something it does. I'm really bad with words, which I have no business making videos, but the butter is really good for hair. So I'll explain how it works. And then an oil as well. I like to either use black castor oil or in this one I mixed some oils in it to like, so which is something else that I'll talk about eventually. It's nice to understand how oils work so that you know what you're looking for in an oil, so that you get the oil that does what you're looking for. So I mixed black castor oil and peppermint in the oil that I made to add to my hair. I hope to be stocking up on spray bottles soon, so if you guys are interested, please just let me know and I'll be sure to order some. Thank you so much for watching this video and have a lovely day.